रैशनल नंबर्स में आज हम एक्सरसाइज करने जा रहे हैं, एक्सरसाइज 3B। एक्सरसाइज 3B में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है, इज द आंसर पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और जीरो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इट इज सेइंग दैट कि whether in the given questions the answer will be positive, negative or zero. See, this exercise is based on addition of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers. So it has given like this: 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Now we have to solve it. So when denominator is same, we have to simply add them. Add the numerators only. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So answer will be 2 by 5. So answer is what? It is a positive number. So it is positive. In the same way, in the second part, it is saying 4 by 7 plus minus 5 by 7. So the denominator is same, so 7 and 4 plus minus will become minus, so 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 will give you what? Minus 1. So the answer will be minus 1 by 7. So it is negative. Then the third part. Third part, it is saying that minus 7 by 9 plus minus 7 upon minus 9. See, this minus and minus will get cancelled. So it is minus 7 by 9 plus 7 by 9. Same number with negative sign, same number with positive sign. So both will cancel out each other and the resultant will be 0. So answer is 0. Question number 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में कह रहा है, ऐड द फॉलोइंग रैशनल नंबर्स। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के 6 पार्ट हैं, उन सभी में आपको क्या करना है? एडिशन फॉलो करना है। तो जैसे पहला कह रहा है 2 by 9 एंड 5 by 9, इनको आपको क्या करना है? ऐड करना है। तो विल राइट डाउन प्लस, डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम, so 9, 2 plus 5 will become 7. So the answer will be 7 by 9. Then let us see the third part. Second one is a easier one. Third part, it is saying minus 5 by 17 plus 7 whole 11 by 17. 7 whole 11 by 17. So it will be written like the base, the denominator, both of them are having 17. So here it is minus 5, no doubt, and here 17 7 is 119. 119 plus 11. 119 plus 11 will give you 130. So 130 minus 5, that is 125. 125 upon 17. So 17 7 ja 119. So 7 whole 6 by 70. Then let us see the fourth part. Fourth part, it is saying minus 11 upon minus 37 plus 26 upon 37. So first of all, this negative sign will cancel out with this negative sign. So 11 by 37, which is a positive number, added to the 26 by 37. So denominator is same. So 37, simply add the numerator. 26 plus 11 will also give you 37. 37 by 37, that is 1, is going to be the answer. In the same way, rest all of the questions are done. Then question number 3. Question number 3, it is saying that add the following rational numbers. Add the following. Same thing we have to do here also. But now the denominators are going to be different. Like it is given minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 4. First of all, it is given minus not 1 upon minus 3 plus minus 1 upon 4. So denominator should not hold negative sign. So negative sign will be transferred to the numerator. So it will be changed to minus 1 upon 3 and plus into minus will become minus, so minus 1 upon 4. Now take the LCM of 3 and 4, which we will get 12. 12 on dividing by 3, you will get 4 multiplied by minus 1, so minus 4 minus 12 on dividing by 4, you get 3 multiplied by 1 minus. So you get minus 4 minus 3, both will be added together, so it will give you minus 7 by 12, and that will be the answer. Let us see another question. The third part, it is saying 1 by 20 plus 1 by minus 30. So 1 by 20, this negative sign will be sent to the numerator, plus minus 1 by 30, plus into minus will become minus. So instead of writing it, we will write minus. Now take LCM of 20 and 30, that will be 60. Here you will get 3 and here you will get 2. So answer will be 1 upon 60. Let us see another question, the fifth part. It is saying 2 whole 2 by 7 added to minus 3 whole 7 by 11. Minus 3 whole 7 by 11. So keep it in bracket. Plus into minus will become minus. Let's change it into improper form. 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16 by 7 minus 11 3s are 33 plus 7, 40 by 11. Right. Now take LCM of 7 and 11, that will be 77. 77 on being divided by 7 will give you 11 multiplied to 16. So 16 1 is 16, 6, 1 carry, and 16 1 is 16 and 1 17. So 176 minus 77 on being divided by 11, 7 multiplied to 14. So 280. On subtracting, 10 minus 6, 2, 7 minus 7, 0, and 2 minus 1, 1. So 102, sorry, 10 minus 6, 4. So 104 minus 104 upon 77. 7. Question number 4. Simplify. I am taking the first part, which says that 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by minus 5. 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by minus 5. It can be written as 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Minus will be brought to numerator. Numerator will transfer. When plus and minus will be multiplied, it will become minus. Consider at 2 upon 1. Take the LCM. LCM will be 15. 15 divided by 1, 15 2s are 30. 15 divided by 3, 5. 15 divided by 5, 3. So 30 plus 5, 35. 35 minus 3, that is 32. 32 upon 15, or we can say 2 whole 2 upon 15. Now let us see the third part. In the third part it is saying minus 15 upon 169 plus 2 upon 13 plus 7 upon 26. So LCM among all of them will be 169, or 169 into 2. 9 2s are 18, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 1 13, 3, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 and 1, 338. Because 169 is 13 into 13, 13 ka square, here it is 13, here it is 13 into 2. So 13 is constant throughout them, and 2. So 13 into 13 into 2. 13 into 13, 169, 169 into 2, that is 338. 338 divided by 169, 2. 2 into minus 15 will give you minus 30, plus 338 divided by 13. So you will get 26. 26 into 2. 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, and 2 2s are 4, 1, 5, 52. Plus 338 divided by 26, you will get 13. 13 7s are 91. So minus 30. On adding both of them, 2 plus 1, 3, and 9 plus 5, 14. 143 upon 338. 143 minus 30, 113 upon 338. This is going to be the answer. Another question, question number 5, fifth part. In the fifth part it is saying minus 7 plus 23 by 24 plus minus 7 upon 36 plus minus 11 upon minus 48. Right. So let us take it as upon 1 and then look out for the LCM. So it is 12 into 2, it is 12 into 3, it is 12 into 4. So 2 3s are 6 and 4. So 144 is going to be the LCM. (24), 36 and 48. Right. Here first of all negative sign will get cancelled. 12 2s are, 12 3s are and 12 4s are. Yes, 144. 144 on divided by 1 will be 144 into 7. 4 7s are 28. 8 2 carry. 4 7s are 28 to 30. 0 3 carry. 7 1s are 7 and 3 10. Minus sign. Plus. 144 on being divided by 24 will give us 6. 6 on multiplying with 23, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12, 138. Minus, because it is having minus. 144 divided by 36 will give you 4. 4 on multiplying with 7, 28. 144 divided by 48 will give you 3. 3 multiplied with 11 give you 33. Minus 1008 minus 28, both will be added, so it will become minus 1036. 28 plus 8, 36. And 138 and 33 will be added. So 8 3 11, 1 carry, 3 3 6 1 7 and 1, 171 upon 144. Now subtract 171 from this. So 6 minus 1, 5. 1 carry, 13 minus 7, 6. And here 9, 9 minus 1, 8. So minus 865 upon 144. Now let us see question number 5. Minus 8 upon minus 13 plus minus 9 upon 26 plus 30 upon minus 39 plus 1. So minus minus gets cancelled. Here negative sign will be sent to the numerator and then LCM will be taken. So 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. So LCM will be 13 into 2 into 3, that is 13 into 6, that is 78. 78 divided by 13 give us 6 8s are 48. 78 divided by 26, 3 times 3 multiplied by 9 minus 27. 78 divided by 39, 2 times 2 multiplied by minus 30 minus 60, and 1 will be considered as 1 upon 1, so plus 78. 78 48 are positive, they will be added together. 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry, 7 4 11 1 12, 7 0 7 and minus 6 and minus 2 minus 8, minus 87 upon 78. On subtracting, 16 minus 7 9 and 11 minus 8 3, 39 upon 78, 13 3s are 39, 13 6s are 78, or you can say 1/2. So option C. Let us see exercise 3C. (3C) is based on subtraction. So the process is same like in the first question. First part, it is saying 3/-5 from 2/5. So from यानी 2/5 में से आपको ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, क्या 3/-5 को। तो पहली बात तो नेगेटिव साइन डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं होना चाहिए, तो हम इसको न्यूमरेटर में भेज देंगे। देन यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई और दो साइन हो गई, माइनस माइनस आमने सामने, तो माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या हो जाता है, प्लस। तो काम था माइनस का, लेकिन क्योंकि वो खुद नेगेटिव था तो इसलिए अब काम क्या हो गया, प्लस का। तो 5 डिनोमिनेटर है, 2 और 3 जुड़ करके न्यूमरेटर में भी 5 आ जाएगा, तो 5/5 यानी आंसर आपका हो जाएगा 1। फिर जैसे थर्ड पार्ट देख लो, कह रहा -9/40 फ्रॉम 17/40। तो 17/40 में से -9/40 को माइनस करना है। तो फिर अगेन नेगेटिव नेगेटिव साइन सामने आमने सामने हो गई, तो प्लस बन जाएगा, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस। फिर 17 + 9 करेंगे तो 26/40। इसको 2 से सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया तो 13/20। तो 13/20 आपका आंसर हो जाएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। अब यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर अलग अलग हो गया, तो जैसे कह रहा है कि 1/-2 फ्रॉम 1/3। तो 1/3 में से 1/-2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। माइनस डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं होता पहली बात, तो माइनस को ऊपर भेज देंगे। तो 1/3 प्लस 1/2 बन जाएगा ये। 3 2 का एलसीएम 6, यहाँ हो जाएगा 2, और यहाँ सॉरी, तो 2 + 3 5/6, ये आपका आंसर हो जाएगा। ऐसे ही देखना फोर्थ पार्ट, -5/29 फ्रॉम -3/87। तो -3/87 में से -5/29 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। तो -3/87 माइनस माइनस प्लस 5/29। एलसीएम लेंगे तो 87 एलसीएम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि 29 का मल्टीपल है 87। 29 को अगर 3 टाइम्स ले जाएंगे, 9 3 या 27 का 7, 2 कैरी, 3 2 6 2 8, 87 मिलेगा। तो इसलिए यहाँ पे तो -3 रहेगा, यहाँ पे 29 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 3 3 5 हो जाएगा 15। 15 - 3 आपका हो जाएगा 12। तो 12/87 आ जाएगा आंसर। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं 7th पार्ट। सेवेंथ पार्ट में कह रहा है -6 होल 2/13 फ्रॉम -1 होल 5/26। तो -1 होल 5/26 यानी कि 26 इंटू -1 -26 सॉरी 26 इंटू 1 26 26 प्लस 5 31। So 31/26 with a minus sign minus 13 6 78 plus 2 80 80/13 with a minus sign. So minus 31/26 minus minus will become plus 80/13. LCM will be 26 minus 31 plus 2 into 80 160 160 minus 31 160 minus 31 will be 129. So 129/26. You can convert it into mixed fraction also, or you can say as it the answer. Then let us see question number 3rd. Question number 3rd, second part, saying 9/-13 from 11/9. So 11/9 will be written first, then minus, then 9/-13. माइनस को डिनोमिनेटर में रखते नहीं, तो -9/13 माइनस माइनस प्लस बन जाएगा, तो 11/9 प्लस 9/13। एलसीएम हो जाएगा 13 9 117, 13 11 13 1 कैरी 143 प्लस and 9 9s are 81. So 3 and 1 4, 14 and 8, 14 6 20 and 2 224/117. 3 and 1 4, 14 and 8, 14 6 20 and 2 22. So you can change it into mixed fraction, or you can say it as your answer. Let us see question number 4. कह रहा है evaluate -1/2 -7/9 minus -11/36. So solve in the brackets. 9 and 2 का LCM 18. Here you will get -9. Here -14. Minus minus will become plus 11/36. Again taking LCM 36. Here -14 -9 will give you -23, and -23 into 2 will give you -46 plus 11. 6 minus 1 5, 4 minus 1 3, -35/36 is going to be the answer. In the same way, let us see the fourth part. -1/2 plus 7/9 minus 10/-30. So bracket solved first. 9 2 का LCM 18, here you will get minus 9, here you will get 14, here minus minus will become plus 10 by 13. Now take LCM of 18 and 13. So 13 into 18, 13 8s or 18 3s, 18 3s 54 का 4, 5 carry, 18 1s 18 and 5, 18 and 5 23, 234. On dividing it by 18 you will get 13, 13 on multiplying it with 14 minus 9 will give you 5, and multiplying with 13 will give you 65, plus divided by 13 will give you 18 into 10 will give you, on addition 5, 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6 14, 245 upon 234. You can change it into the mixed fraction. क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 कह रहा है व्हाट शुड बी एडेड टू -7 by 12. What should be added to -7 by 12 so as to get 9 by 16? We have to get 9 by 16. So what should be added? So let that number which should be added be x. Let us suppose that number to be x. So if we leave x on the left hand side and transpose -7 by 12 to the right hand side. So here it is a negative. When it will go to the right hand side it will become positive. Now take LCM of 16 and 12. 16 and 12. So 4 into 4 and 4 into 3. So 4 into 4 into 3. That is 30. 4 into 4 into 3. That is 48. 16 3s are 48. So 9 3s are 27. And 12 4s are 48. 7 4s are 28. 8 7 15 5 1 carry. 2 2 4 1 5. 55 upon 48. This should be added to the number to get 9 by 16. Let us see question number 6. Second part. 9.48 minus 6 whole 9 by 10 plus 11 whole 1 by 2. 9.48 can be written as 948 upon 100. पॉइंट रिमूव किया, पॉइंट के पीछे 2 डिजिट तो 100 लगा दिया. तो 948 अपॉन 100 माइनस 10 6 60 प्लस 9 69 अपॉन 10 प्लस 2 11 22 प्लस 1 23 बाई 2. एलसीएम लेंगे इनका तो एलसीएम विल बी 200. 200 100 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 8 2 16 6 1 कैरी, 4 2 8 1 9 एंड 9 2 18 माइनस 200 से 10 को डिवाइड किया, 20 20 का 6 9 मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 0, 9 2 18 का 8 1 कैरी एंड 6 2 12 1 13 और 200 का 2 में डिवाइड किया तो 100 100 का मल्टीप्लाई किया 23 में तो 2300. तो पॉजिटिव्स को आपस में जोड़ लेंगे और फिर नेगेटिव को घटा देंगे. तो 6 + 0 6, 9 + 0 9, 8 + 3 11 का 1 1 कैरी और 2 और 1 3 और 1 4 माइनस 1380 अपॉन 200. 6 - 0 6, 9 - 8 1, 11 - 3 8, 3 - 1 2, 2816 अपॉन 200. 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 1 2, 2 4 8, 0, 2 8 16 एंड 2 100. अगेन 2 से करेंगे तो 2 7 ज़ा 14, 0 2 4 ज़ा 8, 15. 2 से अगेन करेंगे 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 5 ज़ा 10, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 25. अब 2 से जाएगा नहीं तो 352 अपॉन 25. अब आप चाहो तो इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो या इसको भी आंसर बता सकते हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. कह रहा है थिंक एंड आंसर. एक्सप्लेन हाउ यू कैन यूज मेंटल मैथ्स टू फाइंड 6 माइनस 2 होल 4/7. तो एक तो तरीका है कि इसको इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करें और फिर इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करें. दूसरा ये है कि इसको ये भी कहा जा सकता है 6 माइनस 2 प्लस 4/7. 2 होल 4/7 का मतलब ये होता है. अब 6 माइनस अगर है तो ब्रैकेट अगर ओपन कर देंगे तो मतलब कि 6 माइनस 2 एंड माइनस 4/7, तो 6 माइनस 2 4 हो जाएगा और 4 माइनस 4/7 ये कर सकते हैं. तो 4 माइनस 4/7 मतलब 7 4 28, 28 माइनस 4 यानी 24/7 और 24/7 का मतलब कि 3 होल 1/7. तो मतलब 4 में से 4/7 अगर निकालना है तो 3 होल 3 होल 3/7, 3 होल 3/7. तो ये इसका आंसर हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में कह रहा है कैन यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 फ्रैक्शंस विद कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर्स एंड गेट एन आंसर विद डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर. एक्सप्लेन योर रीजनिंग. इफ यस प्रोवाइड टू एग्जाम्पल. तो यस इट इज पॉसिबल. Because we can take 2 rational numbers with different or with not different with common denominators and on simplifying the result we can get a rational number with different denominator. This will be our reason and example. Example can be taken as we have to do what? We have to do subtraction. So we can take 9/6 minus 3/6. So you will get what? 6/6. That is, on simplifying you will get 1/1. So here denominator is 1 and here denominator is 6. So it is different. Again you can take another example as 6/12 minus 3/12. On subtracting you will get 3/12 and on simplifying it will become 1/4. So you are getting 4 as denominator and here you are getting 12 as denominator. So it is possible. It is possible to get a number with different denominator from two number with having common denominator. It is possible. Question number 9. Evaluate n minus 11/6 for n is equals to minus 1 upon 3. So put the value of n at its place. So minus 1 upon 3 minus 11 upon 6. LCM will be 6. Here will you get minus 2, here minus 11. On adding you will get minus 13 upon 6. That is, you can also say minus 2 whole 1 upon 6. So this is going to be the answer. Let us see question number 10. Question number 10, it is saying that 3 whole 1 by 6 plus x is equals to 19 upon 42. So change 3 whole 1 by 6 into improper fraction. 3 6 is 18 plus 1, 19 by 6 plus x is equals to 19 upon 42. Again, for the value of x, leave it over here and transpose 19 by 6 to the right hand side. This is called right hand side and this is called left hand side. In between there is equal to. So on left hand side there will be only and only x, and on right hand side there will be 19 upon 42 minus 19 upon 6. Here it is positive, here it will become negative. LCM will be 42. 19 minus 42 divided by 6, 7. 19 sevens are 133. On subtracting 133 में से 20 गया तो 113, 113 में 1 जुड़ गया तो 114, तो minus 114 upon 42. Simplified by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. And 21 2s are 42. So minus 2 whole and 42 subtract किया 7 में से 2 गया 5, 15 upon 21. इसको 3 से कैंसिल किया तो 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. That is minus 2 whole 5 by 7. That is option B. Welcome students. Let's see another exercise, exercise 3D. Exercise 3D is based on multiplication and division. So let us see few questions. Question number 1. Question number first, there are a lot of parts. Let us take second part. It is saying minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 9 by 16. तो आप क्या करोगे, आप चेक करोगे कि किसी भी न्यूमरेटर से कोई डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल हो रहा है क्या, या किसी डिनोमिनेटर से कोई न्यूमरेटर कैंसिल हो रहा है क्या. अगर कैंसिल हो रहा है तो पहले कैंसिल करेंगे. तो 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, कैंसिल हो गया. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, कैंसिल हो गया. तो फाइनली बचा क्या, -3 न्यूमरेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में 8. तो -3 अपॉन 8 इसका क्या हो जाएगा, आंसर हो जाएगा. फोर्थ पार्ट, 11 upon 15 multiplied by 25 upon -44. तो पहली बात तो माइनस साइन डिनोमिनेटर में रखते नहीं, उसको न्यूमरेटर में भेज देंगे. 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 44, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. तो -5 upon 12. Let us see sixth. -13/21 multiplied by -63. So 21 1 जा 21, 21 3 जा 63. Minus into minus will become plus. 13 3 जा will give you 39. Let us see 10th part. 0.35 multiplied by 25 अपॉन -49. पॉइंट रिमूव कर देंगे, नीचे 100 आ जाएगा. 25 1 जा 25, 25 4 जा 100, 7 5 जा 35, 7 7 जा 49. तो 5 अपॉन 4 7 जा 28, -28 माइनस ऊपर कर लेंगे. इलेवन 128 अपॉन 169 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई -507 अपॉन 640. वन 128 से 5 टाइम्स में 640 कट जाएगा. 8 5 जा 40 का 4 और 2 5 जा 10 9. इलेवेंथ पार्ट. 128 अपॉन 169 माइनस 169 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई -507 अपॉन 640. एट से कैंसिल करें तो 8 1 जा 8, 8 6 जा 48, 8 8 जा 64, 0. 16 1 जा 16, 16 5 जा 80. 13 से कैंसिल करेंगे तो 13 13 जा 169, 13 3 जा 39, 13 9 जा 117, 13 3 जा 39. माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल तो 3 अपॉन 5 will be the answer. (63 upon -96 multiplied by 112 upon 210. सेवन 9 जा 63, 7 3 जा 21, 8 12 जा 96, 8 1 जा 8, 8 4 जा 32, 3 3 जा 9, 3 10 जा 30, 2 6 जा 12, 2 7 जा 14, 3 2 जा 6. So minus will be transferred to numerator, so -7 upon 20. Let us see question number 2. First part, 5 whole 1/4 multiplied by 1 whole 2 by 7. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9 by 7. 7 3s are 21, 9 3s are 27 upon 4. 4 6 are 24, 6 whole 3 by 4. Fourth part, minus 3 whole 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 whole 7 by 10. 3 3s are 9, 1 10, minus 10 by 3. 10 2s are 20 plus 7, 27 by 10. 10 10 cancelled, 3 9s are 27, minus 9 answer. Let us see the fifth part. Minus 4 whole 2 by 7 multiplied by 1.4. Point removed upon 10. 7 4s are 28 plus 2, 30 upon 7. 14 upon 10. 10 3s are 7, 2s are 3, 2s are answer. Then eighth part, minus 43 upon 509 into 13 whole 1 upon 19 into 0. So any number multiplied with 0, if any one of them is 0, it will make the answer 0. So write down directly 0. See the 10th part. Minus 8 whole 1 upon 8 into 1 upon 91 minus 1 into 14 upon 27 with a negative sign. So 8 8s are 64, 165 minus 65 upon 8 into ब्रैकेट में सॉल्व करेंगे तो एलसीएम 91, 1 माइनस 91 तो माइनस 90 इंटू माइनस 14 अपॉन 27. 13 7s are 91, or sorry, 7 13s are 91, 7 2s are 14, 13 5s are 65, 2 4s are 8, 4 2 2s are 4, 45, 9 3s are 27, 9 5s are 45. So 5 into 5 and minus minus plus, 5 into 5 25, 2 into 3 6, 25 by 6, that is 4 whole 1 by 6. So we are doing exercise 3D. Let us see question number 3. Simplify. First part I am giving as homework, second part I am doing on the board. 3 whole 1 by 7 multiplied by brackets 3 whole 1 by 2 minus 5 whole 1 by 4 brackets close, then again multiply brackets 5 whole 1 by 4 5 whole 1 by 4 plus 3 whole 1 by 2 brackets close multiplied by 1 whole 1 by 11. So change them into improper form. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1, 22 by 7 multiplied by 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2, 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 4 multiplied by 21 by 4 plus 7 by 2 multiplied by 11 ones are 11 1 12 by 11. Now solve the brackets first according to the BODMAS rule. So 22 by 7 multiplied by 4 is taken as LCM, 7 2s are 14 minus 21 multiplied by 4 again taken as LCM, 21 plus 14 multiplied by 12 by 11. So finally we get 22 by 7 multiplied by 14 minus 21 minus 7 upon 4 multiplied by 21 plus 14 1 4 5 and 3 35 by 4 multiplied by 12 upon 11. 7 and 7 cancel out, 4 3s are 12 cancel out, 11 2s are 22 cancel out, 2 2s are 4 cancel out. So minus 35 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 1 10, minus 105 upon 2, minus 105 upon 2. So minus 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, so 52 whole 1 by 2. That is going to be the answer. Let us see question number 4. Which is saying find the reciprocal of. So you have to find the reciprocal. Like it is given in the first part, 7 by 24. So numerator is going to become the denominator and denominator is going to become the numerator. So 24 by 7. You can change it into mixed fraction also. Like see the third part, minus 15 upon 37. So reciprocal of this will be 37 upon 15 with a minus sign, minus 37 upon 15. Let us see the sixth part, mod of minus 1 whole 3 upon 8. First of all, change it into improper fraction. So you will get 8 ones are 8 plus 3, 11 by 8. mod of it will become 11 by 8, and then its reciprocal, so you will get 8 upon 11. Let us see 8th part. Mod of 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. So mod of 6 and 4 का LCM 12, 12 divided by 6 2, 12 divided by 4 3, so we get minus 1 upon 12, mod of which we get as 1 upon 12. Let us see the 10th part. Mod of minus 17 upon 81 multiplied by minus 5 upon 34 multiplied by minus 9 upon 5. So 5 cancel out, 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, cancel out, 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81, cancel out. So minus into minus, plus, and plus into minus, again minus. So minus 1 upon 9 into 2, 18, but with a mod. Now mod will make it positive, so it will become 1 by 18. 1 by 18 का reciprocal will be 18 by 1, that is 18, and that will be the answer. Let us see question number 5. Which is saying divide. Six whole 1 by 2 divided by minus of 13. 6 whole 1 by 2 when changed into improper fraction, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13 by 2 divided by minus 13. Division sign will be changed with multiplication, and minus 13 का reciprocal will be 1 upon 13 with negative side in the numerator. Now 13 and 13 will cancel out, so the answer will be minus 1 by 2. Let us see the third part. Five by 6 divided by 3 by 8. So 5 by 6 division sign will be changed by multiply, and 3 by 8 का reciprocal will be 8 upon 3. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So 5 4s are 20 and 3 3s are 9. So 20 upon 9. Let us see the sixth part. 15 upon minus 16 divided by minus 15 upon 16. So negative sign will be sent to the numerator. Minus 15 upon 16, division will be changed with multiplication, 16 upon 15, and negative sign will remain in the numerator. 15 से 15 cancel out, 16 से 16 cancel out, minus into minus will become plus, so answer is going to be 1. Let us see the 8th part. Minus 5 divided by minus 3 whole 1 upon 3. So minus 5 divided by 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, so minus 10 upon 3, minus 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, minus minus will become plus, so 3 upon 2 is going to be the answer. Let us see question number 6. Minus 3 whole 1 by 2 divided by 1 whole 3 by 4. So change it into improper form. 2 3s are 6, 1 7, minus 7 by 2 divided by 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7, 7 by 4. So minus 7 by 2 multiplied by 4 by 7. डिवीज़न के साइन को मल्टीप्लाई से चेंज करेंगे और डिवीज़न के बाद जो फ्रैक्शन है उसको हम रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे उसका. तो यहाँ पे 7 से 7 कैंसिल हो रहा है, 2 से 4 कैंसिल हो रहा है. सो द फाइनल आंसर इज माइनस 2. Let's see the third part. Minus 1 whole 1 upon 55 divided by minus 5 whole 8 upon 11. So 55 and 1 55, 55 plus 1 56, minus 56 upon 55 divided by 11 5s are 55, 55 plus 8, so it will become 63. 55 and 5 60, 60 and 3 63. Then minus 56 upon 55, division will be changed by multiplication, and minus of 11 upon 63. 11 ones are 11, 11 5s are 55, got cancelled. 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, got cancelled. Minus minus becomes plus, so 8 upon 5 9s are 45, 8 upon 45 is the answer. Let us see the fifth part. It is saying minus 4.85 divided by 1 by 2. So 4.85 can be written as 485 upon 100. So minus 485 upon 100, division change by multiplication, 2 by 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, so 50 times. Now cancel it with 5, 5 10s are 50, 5 9s are 45, 3 35, 5 7s are 35. So 97 upon 10, minus of 97 upon 10, that is minus 9.7. Let us see part 8. 100 upon minus 245 divided by 125 upon 64 divided by minus of 45 upon 48. So negative sign should be in numerator, minus 100 upon 245 divided by 125 upon 64. Division change with multiplication and reciprocal. So minus 48 upon 45. Now let us cancel it with 5. 5 nines are 45. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. 8 eights are 64. 8 sixes are 48. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. 3 threes are 9. So minus 100 divided by 245 divided by 25 minus of 25 upon 4 into 3, that is 12. So minus 100 upon 245, division change with multiplication, minus 12 upon 25. 25 4 times 100, minus minus positive, 12 fours are 48. 48 upon 245 is the answer. Let us see question number 7. Second part. Minus 2 whole 13 upon 25 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus, sorry, it's division sign, divided by 4 by 7 in brackets, this also in bracket, then again, sorry, it's a plus sign only, my fault, it's a plus sign, and the next one is division sign, minus of 27 upon 40. So 25 twos are 50, 50 plus 13, 63. So minus of 63 upon 25 multiplied by 2 and 7 LCM is 14. Here you will get 7, and here we get 2 fours are 8, divided by minus 27 upon 40. So minus 63 upon 25 multiplied by 8 plus 7, 15 upon 14 multiplied by 40 minus of 40 upon 27. 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25, 5 eights are 40, 3 nines are 27, 9 sevens are 63, 7 twos are 14, minus minus positive, 2 fours are 8, so 4 is the final answer. Let us see question number 8. In question number 8 it is saying the product of two number is minus 15 whole 5 by 9. Product is minus 15 whole 5 by 9. If one of the number is 3 whole 1 by 9, find the other number. So one of the number is 3 whole 1 by 9. Let the other number be x equals minus 15 whole 5 by 9. So 9 threes are 27 plus 1, 28 upon 9 multiplied by x is equals to 59s are 135 and 5, 140 upon 9. So x is equals to minus of 140 upon 9 and 28 by 9 multiplied by x. When 28 by 9 will be transposed to the right hand side, it will become 9 upon 28. So 9 got cancelled, 14 tens are, 14 twos are, 2 fives are. So minus of 5 is that number. Question number 9. Like in the first part, it is saying minus 3 by 4. We have to convert the following rational number into decimals. So when you divide 3 by 4, neglect the negative sign, it becomes 30, 4 sevens are 28, it becomes 20, 4 fives are. So answer will be minus of 0.75. The same way, let's see the fourth part. 13 upon 128. So you have to divide 13 by 128. Place a point 0, 1 times 128, remainder is 2, take a 0, 1 0 is after that 1 0 more. So 128, go for 1 times 128, 200 minus 128. So 100 minus 28, 100 minus 30 is 70, 70 and 2, 72, 720. So it can go 5 times. 8 fives are 40, 0, 4 carry, 12 fives are 60 and 4 64. Or 12 6 are 72, so it can go 640. No, so 0 minus 0 0, 1 get 12, 12 minus 4 8 and 6 minus 6 0, so 80. Next is 800. So that's enough. So answer will be 0.1015. On rounding off to the three digits, it can be said as 102. 0.102. Let us see question number 10. It is saying what is the product of minus 5 whole 1 by 3 and 3 whole 3 by 4. So product, so multiplication we have to do. 5 3s are 15, 1 16, minus 16 by 3 multiplied by 4 3s are 12 and 3 15, 15 by 4. So 3 5s are 15, 4 4s are 16, minus 4 into 5 minus 20 is the answer. Let us see question number 11. It is saying mod of x is equals to 21 divided by 3 whole 1 by 2. So 21 divided by 3 2s are 6 1 7 by 2. 21 multiplied by 2 by 7. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6. So mod of x is equals to 6. So x can be 6 or minus 6, both, because mod is coming out positive. So inside the number can be positive as well as negative. So option C. Here option is D and here is option C. Let us see question number 12. 3 whole 3 by 4 upon minus of x. We have to solve it for x equals 8 whole 3 by 4. So 3 whole 3 by 4 divided by minus of 8 whole 3 by 4. So 4 3s are 12, 3 15 by 4 divided by minus 8 4s are 32, 32 and 3 35 by 4. So 15 by 4 multiplied by minus of 4 upon 35. 4 4 got cancelled. 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, minus of 3 upon 7. That is option C. So by this the exercise gets complete. Wish you all the best.